what happens with us sometimes that we don't like the name that we had entered before in the Facebook, and now you guys are looking for to change your name in the Facebook Lite. So welcome to the new video. In this video I'm going to tell you on how to change the name in your Facebook Lite. It's a very easy step, just you need to follow my steps. At first open the app, then you will see the home page of Facebook Lite. Then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now you will see this interface where you can see messages, groups, video, live videos, settings and privacy. Just click on the settings. Then here in the search bar, search for the personal information. And now go to the personal detail options, that is here. Now tap on the profile option and again tap on the profile. Here you will see the two options, name and username. Simply tap on the name option. Now change the name according to your desire. Then tap on the review change option. Then you will see this interface, preview your new name. Change the name according to you. Then click on the save changes option. Now it's very easy, you can see that your name is changed. See, I told you it's very easy. Now if this video helped you, then hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye guys, see you all in the next video.